Dependence on technology and over exploitation of resources that has led to the multiple menaces of pollution, conflict and destruction. As Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had in Bandung conference pointed out that the only possible alternative to mutual coexistence is mutual destruction. So if
apply for funding, you can visit different countries free of cost. They will give you funding, and this is open for teachers, research scholars, and students. Apply for grants. So next one, yeah, all these are funding. Hey, you will not get it here. It's not available anywhere. You cannot get it anywhere. I'm sure. Okay, I'm very confident with the content that I have developed for you. Okay, yeah, you will stop here. Shall come here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely help you to learn by yourself. You can excel. You will feel comfortable learning by yourself. So please make it a point. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. The next one. You have taken snap of it. Kids, you can never get it in Google. Yeah, I can challenge you that. The next one. Yeah, amazing Abhyas. You will love it. Yeah, it will really. You will feel that it's a good friend of you. You know, he can do anything for you. Anything.
Extensive contributions to research, teaching and academic administration. Dr. Karthikeyan has authored over 30 publications in Scopus Index.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Over to you, sir.
Very good morning. Good morning, boys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. So probably you had some session to warm up yourself through online, because you are all pandemic kids. I call you all as pandemic kids. Keeping the mobile phone on and playing at home, sleeping at home, eating at home. You had that kind of luxury during your days. I know it very well. So my name is Dr. J. Karthikeyan. I'll be so happy to introduce my friend Dr. Chong. So we are working for almost 10 years now. So please make sure that either you shift to this place, or is it visible for you? The screen is visible for you?
The AI will overthrow human intelligence someday. And I think as long as we use AI for our own benefits, as long as we master the use of AI for the benefits of humanity, I think we should be okay. But yes, we should always be very careful how we make use of such things. Now we move on to by Dr. Chong Seng Tong. We have Dr. Chong Seng Tong with us right now. Thank you again, Sir Daya Dasanayake and Professor Amit Bhattacharya, sir. We hope to see you again someday soon. Okay, we start fresh again. Sorry. So we